So when it comes time to decide which polisher is right for me, this is your starting point. Everyone needs a 12mm polisher with a 3.5-inch pad. This does all the nooks, the crannies, whenever the panels are real swoopy. The standard mini, such an effective polisher. The micro has a 1-inch pad, super effective at getting under the door handles, all the little tiny areas that you cannot reach with a full-size polisher. The Pro, slightly more powerful, detachable cord. The 15mm uses a 5.5-inch pad. I only reach for that polisher if I'm polishing a boat or like an old C10 square body truck with giant flat panels. The upgrade to that is going to be the 15mm Pro. Again, detachable cord, bigger motor. The 21mm polisher, the biggest throw that we have, you want to use the largest pad possible, which is the 6.5-inch pad, our largest pad. They can get a lot of cutting done quickly.